Welcome back to Let's Take It Easy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take a backup of your iPhone on your iMac or MacBook. So, first of all, you want to plug in your phone into your computer using a charger. Once you've done that, come to the dock and find Finder. Once you've clicked on Finder, come down to Locations. Under Locations, there should be your phone. Once you've clicked on your phone, this page should come up. All you have to do from here is press Backup Now and should automatically start backing up. If you want to check if it's actually backing up, you can come here and this should be rotating. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you're still confused, feel free to contact us at 0386 521 589. Thank you for watching.